beauty and food. Right now we're at Kampung Pandan Noa and we're having this thing called Durian Cendol. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's called Durian Cendol Kedai Batu. So here it is. As you can see, I love desserts. Can't wait to dig in. But I gotta explain to you what it is first, right? So cendol is basically shaved ice, and it's topped off with red beans, some green chinchou, a little bit of corn, and because this is special, they have durian. And if you look properly down here, there's some brown sugar. That's where the sweetness comes from. Alright? So without further ado, I'm gonna dig in because I love desserts. I don't even know where to start. Should I drink it first? Let's just have a little sip. This is so sweet but so good. Okay, my opinions might be a bit biased here because I really like sweet things. But if you're not such a big fan of sweet things, take what I say with a pinch of salt, you know? Just don't take it too seriously. I think I'm supposed to mix this, but it's overflowing, so I'm just gonna wing it. Cendol is nice and soft. You can definitely taste the durian in here. The durian fragrance is really strong. The ice is slightly on the coarser side, so I'm having a bit of trouble chewing. But we call it a soup? The drink, this thing itself is really good. And there's a big decent chunk of durian in here. I'm really not sure how I'm gonna do this without spilling everything, but I guess I'm just gonna have to spill everything. Okay, I'm just gonna take a bite of the durian. The durian's really sweet. Okay. So a lot of you that never had durian before might be a bit shell-shocked to find out what durian is, because it has a very strong pungent smell. But trust me, it's just because it smells a little bit fermented doesn't mean it's not nice. It's actually really, really sweet. I mean, it's called the king of fruits for a reason, right? Finally, I can mix my brown sugar. Okay. How do you guys take your cendol? I like to mix it all up. Okay, I've completely devoured the durian. I'm guilty. It's gone now. But as a review from me, I will definitely give this place a 10 out of 10. I love durian, I love cendol. It can't possibly go wrong for me. And you guys should check it out. Whether you're new to durian, if you ever had durian in life, just give it a try. I mean, life's short. Just give it a try. So tune in next time for more in beauty and